Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable wireless power sharing. So you have to simply go for the settings and you have to find the battery and the device care. Next you have to tap on the battery and find wireless power sharing. Let's enter and then simply tap on the switcher if you want to enable. As you can see there we get a notification that if we want to use it, our battery limit must be at least 30%. We can only go for the higher option, so for the higher limit. So if you want to use it, your smartphone must be charged at least 30%. And if you want to turn it off, you have to just tap on the switcher another time. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.